Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. If you are new to my channel, my name is Crissy Marie, or Crissy, and today's video is obviously a what's in my diaper bag. I asked you guys over on Instagram what you guys wanted to see, a what's in my purse diaper bag, or a what's in my diaper bag. No. I asked you guys on Instagram what you guys wanted to see, a what's in my purse video or a what's in my diaper bag video, and you guys said 50-50. It was literally 50% wanted a diaper bag video and 50% wanted a purse video. So I just took that as both. So I'm gonna give you guys both, but today we're starting out with the diaper bag. This is the Lily Baby Monaco diaper bag. Super convenient, super big, can fit everything in here. Has so many options for straps. You can carry it like this. You can carry it like a backpack, or you can carry it on the side like this. So very stylish. If you're gonna have a diaper bag, it needs to be cute. Let's just put it plain and simple. An ugly diaper bag can ruin a whole outfit, or just to make you feel good. You need a cute diaper bag. So highly recommend this diaper bag. Let's go ahead and open it. Actually, let's see what's in the pockets first, the outside pockets. I was almost gonna forget. The front pocket right here, I always only carry my phone in here. Super easily accessible. If it's on my bag or my back, I can easily reach my arm down in there, grab it with my hand. Okay. Now I can't get it back in there. There we go. All right. So my purse is always right here. Always right here, like that. And then in this bag, or in this pocket right here, I know that I have lip stuff in here. Yes, I have chapstick, Aquaphor chapstick Total Hydration. I have some Juicy Smooch Cosmetics. This is almost out. I need to get more. I have the color that I always wear is my Kylie lip kit in the color Kylie. Such a pretty nude for my brown skin. If you are looking for a nude, it's a pinky nude. And then I have some NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Angel Food Cake. This is a oldie but a goodie. This is also a sheer nudie pink that looks really good on any skin tones. I have some bubbles, probably from someone's birthday party. That's a cute little bubble wand. And I have some eyelash glue. It is the worst feeling in the world if you wear eyelashes and one of your eyelashes starts coming off and you don't have any glue, you guys. If you know, let me know down in the comments if that has ever happened to you, and you just go around with half of your eyelash hanging off, or you just have to take it off, and you have to take off the other one too, because you don't want big old eyelashes over here and then little old regular simple eyelashes over here. So I made it a big deal to always have eyelash adhesive on me. Okay, what else do we got in here? The bubbles, got some earrings. I've actually been looking for these. These are just some little earrings that I got from Target a couple weeks ago, and then I was never able to find them. So maybe I'll wear these tomorrow. What am I wearing now? Oh yeah. Okay, let me put those right there so I won't forget them. Let me put some of this on really quick. Okay. Let's see what is over here. This is also an easy accessible pocket right here. So I always have Sophia's water cup. I can't carry 3 cups in here for each of the girls, so they all still take sippy cups. Sophia's 1, Layla is 3, and Shukri is 5. They all still take sippy cups, but when we go out, the 2 bigger girls, Shuk and Layla, they can hold their own and they can drink out of big girl glasses for the time being. And Sophia needs a sippy cup because she will spill it everywhere, whatever she's drinking, if she drinks out of a big girl cup. So she has a sippy cup here. This can be for water or for milk. now let's open up the bag. Here is what my inside looks like. We are going to my brother's house tomorrow for my niece's 22nd birthday to help her celebrate. So I have this packed for everything for all day tomorrow. So I have everything that we need for the time when we leave all the way up until the time we come home. And when you know you're going to something where you're going to be gone all day, you pack what you need. So I have plenty of diapers in here, right here. And we go back and forth between Huggies and Kirkland, the Costco brand. So here is plenty of diapers for Sophia. And a lot of this stuff is also left over from our Sunday Super Bowl trip when we went to Spokane a couple weeks ago, whenever Super Bowl was. And I never took anything out. Like, here is a Costco coupon book, and this expired already, so this is old. We have wipes. Let me turn the light down, that's a little bit bright. Whoa, is that better? Oh my God, that's way better. Okay, so we have wipes. Sorry about that, guys. And we are a house full of bow girls, so there's always extra bows because anywhere we go, at least one of my daughters will lose a bow. So if a bow's lost and we need something to go with one of their outfits because they're little fashionistas, I need a bow that will go with their outfit. So we have a kind of like a pink color, kind of like a fuchsia color, pink. And then we have a blush pink bow, we have a cheetah bow, and then we have a little black and white dot bow. And honestly, I just will grab a handful of bows and put them in here wherever we go. I don't like try to coordinate them with their outfit in case one of them gets lost or anything like that. I just like them to have bows in their hair at all times. So if there's an emergency and one gets lost, somebody might have to wear a cheetah bow with their stripes or whatever, and they might look ridiculous, but at least they have a bow in their hair. So always have bows handy. I have bows in my diaper bag, in my purse, and in the car. 2 pairs of socks. There might be more socks in here somewhere. I'm guessing that there is since there's 3 toddlers, but socks. There's always someone who's not wearing socks. If I put socks on before we head out the door on all 3 girls, by the time we get in the car, somebody's socks are off, you guys. I'm not even playing. So it'll be like the middle of winter and someone is not wearing socks and they have boots on. And I don't find out until we're at the store or we're at whoever house we're going to or we're in the car. So I always carry extra socks. My children are, trust me, one of a kind. Bib. Sophia's a messy eater right now and she is very drooly because she's getting in her little back teeth. She has 4 up here and 4 on the bottom, and then she's getting her little molars and stuff back here. So she's super drooly right now. So we have a bib for eating and then also a bib that she can chew on right here. There is a little silicone little gnawing thing that she can chew on. Always have to have bibs. There's more diapers. More diapers. Pull-ups. Okay, so the reason I carry pull-ups in my diaper bag, especially for occasions like tomorrow when I know that we're going to be out later than normal. The girls are going to be playing all day. They're going to be there with family and happy birthday and yada yada yada. So they're going to be running around. They're going to be tired. So by the time we are on our way home, they're probably going to pass out in the car, and I'll probably transition them hopefully smoothly from the car to their beds so they can stay sleeping. So before we leave my brother's house or wherever we're planning on going in the future, I will put on their little pull-ups so they can sleep with them in the car because, like I said, they will more than likely pass out in the car. So that's a really good mom hack. If you are leaving somewhere late at night and you have a kiddo that wears pull-ups, make sure to put the pull-ups on them before you guys get in the car and before you guys are on your way home. What else? I have a change pad. This right here actually came with the diaper bag. This is super convenient. This is a must-have, especially with all the germs and the COVID and all that stuff going around. When you have someone that's in diapers and they needed to get changed, you can easily put this down on the bathroom floor or on somebody's bed or on the floor and change them. And this one here is waterproof, so it easily washes up any explosions that the kiddo has, or pee, or any bodily fluids like poop and stuff like that. So super convenient, must have. What else is in here? More diapers, another sock. I am dieting, so I have snacks for myself and I have healthy snacks for myself. So I brought some tuna. I'm gonna eat tomorrow. Like, if I'm going somewhere, I'm about to eat, but I don't want to eat excessively. So if I'm still hungry, I'll reach for this tuna pouch instead of getting more of the probably super unhealthy food that's going to be at the party tomorrow. And then I have nuts for snacking on. Where are my other snacks? Smart sweets. These are good to cure any sweet tooth that you have. These are really good for dieting when you have a sweet tooth. There's only like 3 grams of sugar in here, and they're not bad. So I get these right here at Target. I have a Nutri-Grain bar. I kind of give myself some options. And then I have a Fig bar, and I get these right here from Costco, Walmart, Winco. These are actually really good. I'm probably gonna eat one of these in a little bit. Sounds really good. And then I also have some fruit leather in here. That's a good little variety for me for tomorrow. I have hand sanitizer. This is a must these days. I have some spray from Bath and Body Works. This is coconut cream pie. We get ashy, so we always carry lotion. Always carry lotion. This is a necessity. I have lotion in my car, in my purse, in all of my bathroom, probably all of my bedrooms I have lotion. Always carry lotion with you. Don't nobody want to be ashy. I have a pin, puzzle piece, some go-go squeezes for the girls. They love these things. These are some snacks for them. And some makeup wipes. These are really good to have too. Wipes, baby wipes. I use those for everything. It's not just for changing diapers. Like if something spills over there on the floor, I'll wipe it up with a baby wipe. If somebody's crying, I'll wipe their face with a baby wipe. Got some boogers? Let me wipe it up with a baby wipe. Baby wipes are good for everything. I love me some baby wipes, and we go through them so fast. I don't know. Masks. Have a mask in here, and that's it. What's that? Oh, the pin. That's it for what's in my diaper bag. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys got some good mom tips for carrying your kiddos while they're out. Another thing I wanted to mention is I'm getting ready to transition from this diaper bag into my spring and summer diaper bag, which is my pink fawn design. This is a Luli baby, and then I have a fawn design diaper bag. This is a little, obviously more darker color. This is a cognac color, and then my fawn design is a blush pink. So I'm gonna be transitioning into there, and I do wanna say, if you're thinking which one, a Luli baby or a fawn design, I like the fawn design just a little bit better because to me it's a little bit more versatile. There is a whole spot for a laptop, and I carry my laptop with me when I go to places like we're gonna go tomorrow. If I get a little bit of downtime and somebody's helping me watch the girls, like my mom, I could work on my laptop a little bit. I work from home, so my laptop is my life, and if I have the opportunity to work on it, I'm gonna do that. So it's really convenient that the fawn design has a laptop slot. So this is it. Just a little FYI if you were trying to decipher between the two. Next, in the next couple of weeks, I'll have up what's in my purse video. I do a lot of vlogs, family vlogs, daily vlogs on my channel. So if you are new, subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, of course, I always appreciate you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.